Women don't need time to form an opinion about you. They decide within seconds. Before you say anything, before you crack a joke, before you even realize you're being judged. And the crazy part? Most men have no idea they're giving off these signals. So in this video, I will break down 7 things women notice instantly. This isn't about looks or clothes. It's about what you're already doing without realizing it. And the last one is where most men mess this up. This happens before you speak. The moment you enter a space, she notices how you arrive. Do you walk in calmly and naturally? Or rushed and hesitant, like you're unsure where you belong? You don't need to dominate the room. You don't need to be loud. Just don't walk in like you're sneaking in instead of simply arriving. A calm entry creates a calm first impression. Right after that, she notices this. Do you look comfortable being there? Not confident like a movie character, just at ease. Are your shoulders tense? Are you fidgeting? Do you look like you're overthinking where to stand or what to do? A man who looks comfortable sends a simple signal. I belong here. A man who looks uncomfortable makes others feel uncomfortable too. This seems small, but it matters more than people think. Women notice how you sit the moment you take a seat. Do you collapse into the chair? Sit right on the edge nervously? Keep shifting and adjusting your position? Or do you sit comfortably and actually settle in? The way you sit shows how comfortable you are in your own body. And when someone looks physically at ease, it naturally puts others at ease too. The way you handle your phone says a lot before you ever say anything. Do you check your phone constantly? Reply to messages mid-conversation? Place it face up and keep glancing at it? Or do you put it away and stay present? It makes you look focused, and focus is rare now. This one catches a lot of men. When guys are nervous, they talk faster than usual. They rush sentences. They barely pause. Women notice this immediately. Slowing down just a little makes you sound calmer, more confident, more in control. You don't need a deep voice. You just need to stop rushing. Women notice what your face is doing while they talk. Do you look tense, blank, overly serious, or relaxed and responsive? Small reactions, a slight smile, a nod, a calm expression make conversations feel comfortable. Freezing up or overdoing it does the opposite. This is the biggest one. Women can sense when a guy is trying too hard, adjusting himself to be liked, quietly looking for approval. The strongest first impressions don't come from effort. They come from ease. When you're not trying to impress, nothing feels forced. And the moment you stop trying to control how you're seen, you start leaving better impressions naturally. That calm presence is what people remember. Now be honest, which one of these did you realize you do without noticing? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you even a little, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more people. And if you want to flirt naturally without forcing anything, watch the video linked here.